Good afternoon. I'm Ridahwani.
I am Ignes.
I am Shada.
I am Safwa.
We are about to start our discussion about organizing an activity during the Nature Week as we are the member of Nature Society. How about we organize a tree planting? We may know how to plant the seedlings in the correct technique.
Yes, like we know how to make the medium and also we can make the medium in correct preparation ratio because different tree has different preparation and ratio for the medium, right?
Yes.
When the tree grow up, it can make a beautiful scenery and appropriate environment for students to study and weekend activities.
As we are jogging also, we can enjoy the environment. It is so peaceful and relaxing. It's very comfortable that we can actually tend to like it very much.
Yeah, it can be actually be so relaxing.
This activity also can make people realize the importance of trees in our environment.
Plus, it is very beautiful and exactly pretty when the tree grow up. But at the same time, it requires quiet a long period of time to see the result if you plant the trees.
Actually, we had to wait for a long time the plant to grow up, right? So we don't plant it for a long period, of course.
Besides, we also need to prepare seedling and the medium.
We need to consider the soil to plant the tree, right?
Yes.
Quiet herbicide and plants.
Yes.
After planting, we need to manage it. We need to take care of it for light all year round probably. It quiet troublesome for students like us. As students, we are very busy. We have to chase for students or catch up in their homework. We need to hurry up for deadline. Probably they have hectic schedules and also assignments. So I think it's quiet bothersome for UC students.
Maybe why not we try organizing an activity to visit to a place capturing about nature, like visiting a trip to national park maybe.
It's good. I think it's worth it because students get to see and witness from themselves. The real animals and also the flora that are in different species. It's seriously very beautiful.
I think we can also understand and know more about nature and the beauty of nature. And also we can enjoy this trip with our friends and enhance our relationship.
While we are enjoying also, we can actually see the reality of a forest because usually we only get to look at in the TV, such as National Geographic. But now we get to witness and it personally. It is very nice and probably we get to like it very much.
Furthermore, I think that it can be a fun benefit for those who are interested in biology research and study, right?
Yes, probably they can use this information they gain now for the future.
For research, I think that the entrance fee for the national park is probably expensive and not every student can afford it.
That's true. Maybe if we go in by group or we go by a ranking, maybe there will be a promotion or we can get a package so the price may be more affordable. It may be more worth it. Well, this all one day free.
We have to consider the water and the food supplies. It is going to be financial problem for us.
Yeah, we will handle those things, right? It will be troublesome.
They need to organize it well. Maybe we need to worry about the feed for everything, just as design, preparation, feed, all mailing and also food supply. Although may be troublesome.
We also need a good cooperation and commitment from all the students and the society.
So what if we plan a campaign trip to a forest reserve? Because I think if we go to the forest reserve, we can actually experience new things like jungle trekking, solo trekking in the dark or soaking in the swamp.
Then we can also Sorry, Then we can actually face different kind of incidents and very interesting moments, such as getting eaten by leech. We get to know like to suck on them. I think it's also fun if sometimes one of us fall into the mood and get ourselves dirty. It is very memorable for all of us.
Actually, it can be group do all activity together. So this can build an friendship among the students.
On the other hand, we can relax our mind from the hustle and bustle of the country.
We can enjoy the nature because at the forest reserve, it actually has interesting and captivity scenery life, waterfall, blossom flower, and they also natural sound like chirping of birds.
Moreover, rustling of leaf. Probably, if we pass by some animal, we might get to smell out their dung. In this kind of peaceful environment, I think it's very nice, and we get like it if we personally experiencing it. Yeah, become fond of nature, right?
But then we need to take note about the of own safety. It will in a camping site. There are wild animals.
We also have to consider our food supply and the cleanliness of water if we are to drink from the river.
Yes, because in camping site, we can only depend on natural resources, right?
When we go to the camping trip, we can actually learn several skills like how to build fire, a lot of new knowledge. We can also overcome our fears if we are afraid of the dark or being alone. This build character, it makes us more disciplined.
It brought all confidence. Yeah, it brought all self-distance, right?
What if we organize what if we organize recycling day? We all know that recycling is a simple way which everyone can contribute to save our nature and beauty our nature.
Do you guys remember at the community art, we use recycling videos? I think that we can increase awareness of the people about the 3R concept.
It requires less time or the commitment also saying it is only a day camping.
It can also reduce the strain on our environment as the population of humans increase day by day. Stress also increase, right? So will make our earth more polluted. By recycling day, it can help to reduce the stress on our earth.
Yes, I agree also because by recycling product, we turn wasteful product into useful product. So maybe we can reduce the exploitation on all nature. For example, deforestation and cut down for all people.
Local people also can join this activity by contributing their recycling products.
Yeah, not just students. Maybe their family or relative also contribute, right?
Yes.
Basically, everyone can participate. At the same time, this activity is for us to send this product to a factory. We might actually earn some sub revenue for our society. It's very agreeable.
So basically, we've come to an agreement that recycling day is the best activity for the nature week, right? Compared to the pre-planting activity, trip to national park, and camping trip to forest reserve. So,
So
that's
that's
all.
all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Woo!